How to create Oculus account. Hi everyone, this is Suzanne from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, download Oculus application, which is MetaQuest app. Now just launch the application over here. Now you can see various options. Either you can continue with Facebook, Instagram, email, or even you can connect to your organization. So for now, I'm just going to select continue with my Facebook ID. Okay. Now tap on continue. Wait for a while the page is loading. Now tap on create account here. Now tap on yes, continue. Then you have to enter your email address. Now after entering your email address, just tap on create account. Now after this, open your email ID and then enter the confirmation code. Then tap on next. Again tap on next here. Then tap on create new profile or sync profile info. Now you have to create your username here. Then again tap on next. Then this step is optional. For now I'm just tapping on skip. Now tap on next again. Now tap on continue with your Facebook ID right here. Okay, now wait for a while again. Now after the page has loaded, you can either share or tap on don't share. For now, I'm just tapping on don't share and just tap on not now. Okay, so you have successfully created your Oculus account, which is your MetaQuest account. You can also create your Oculus account by connecting to your Instagram, email, or even your organization by following these similar steps. So that was it for today. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe.